Do you want to have supplementary benefits on your investments? Did you know that now under the new PIC scheme, you can get up to 160% of your investments as a surplus with the newly announced PIC bonus? As per the Singapore government, you can claim 60% of your investment on investing up to $100,000 in acquisition or leasing of PIC information technology and automation equipment, or training of employees, or one of the 6 qualifying activities under the Productivity and Innovation Credit Scheme. The government of Singapore has been encouraging small and large businesses to invest in these schemes and get 60% of their investments as a reimbursement cash payout from 2011 to 2015, marked as the years of assessment. In addition to this, there is good news for all partnership companies, sole proprietorship runners, and registered business trusts. As of the 25th of February 2013, the Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister of the Singapore government, Mr. Tharman, has announced that all businesses investing in one of the 6 productivity improvement activities will receive even bigger benefit. All approved PIC applications during the years of assessment from 2013 to 2015 will receive a PIC bonus along with their 60% cash payout. As a PIC bonus, the Singapore government is giving penny for every penny and dollar for every dollar, which means that if you invest $15,000, then according to the present PIC scheme, you will be reimbursed 60%, $9,000, as a cash payout with the addition of a PIC bonus, which is the exact amount you have invested, $15,000. You will get a total of $24,000 in PIC benefits. The bonus will be given automatically. You don't have to worry about applying for it. The bad news is that this scheme is near closing. By 2015, the year of assessment, the PIC scheme will no longer be active. You are left with a couple of months to claim maximum benefits. Hurry now and make the most of them. Invest in acquisition or leasing of PIC information technology and automation equipment or training of employees and get back as much as 160% of your initial investment. Talk to us now, or you may wish to contact Iris directly for more information.